It didn't. Well, he is southbound. Huh? I was watching the track. I heard about 89. 89 was down there, so I was looking for his light, but instead I found him. I might just hop down for this one because he's going pretty slow. Well, it would look like a freight train. He stopped down there. He must have stopped.
I understand 96 and 90 part was on one. DIB came on clear. That's 22 cross over, so we're going straight with the right on board.
Okay, so I don't know where he went because he was just down there. I still see something sitting down there. Could be. I'm gonna see if I can zoom that in on what that is. I seen lights flashing a minute ago though, right down there. He cut his lights off. He cut his lights off. Yeah, he cut his lights off. Yeah, I still see his light coming up down there. Look, guys. I ain't all that crazy. He's still coming. I'll just stay down here because I know I got 89 coming, but this kind of looks like a different train. This kind of looks, the light kind of looks more like a freight resemblance. More like a freight. So maybe that's because it is a freight, you know? Yeah, let's get out of the way. Yeah, let's. Well, it's a freight train. It's a freight train. It's a freight train. All right, I'll zoom out because my camera's really staticky for some reason. Like, don't even know why. And he's going slow. I know they do a lot of crew changes here, so I hope it's not that, but if it is, it is. This is the first freight of today that I've seen. I got 89 and 90 coming north, and then one is coming south. Wow.
Alright, Andy, coming by Armstrong. You ready for it?
80 coming by Armstrong.
Yeah, outbound stop, clear to the NC. Make sure it's clear.
Give me a beat. I need a tree beat.
Alright, understand, coming in. Looking at Kevin said tell Baker thank you.
I saw that train parked in infield, but I never caught the one that derailed. I cleaned it up. I was expecting to catch the 89 and 90 because I didn't think that one would be leaving no time soon. They kept him there all day. It looked like him anyway. Now I'm gonna see if I can see 90 or 89. What I was hollering about is the approach that is being talked about down that way he's heading, which led me to think there was going to be a meet. But as well as we can see, there ain't no meet. But it's coming, and it might be with. Okay, anyway, it might be with the DM tracks, but I gotta check. That'll be a separate video.